back to the Simply Sexy YouTube channel. As you can see, this is a hair tutorial. I just have freshly cleaned hair. I just sectioned off into 4 sections and I am doing a braid out. So I washed my hair with the Curls to Go Curl Drench by Jane Carter solution. It is a cleansing co-wash, so I did not use a, guys, I cannot find the front. Okay, there is the front. But yeah, I will put everything down in the description box below. I did not use a shampoo. I used a conditioning co-wash. And the reason I did is because I actually did a clay mask, Indian healing, is it called bentonite? I believe it's a bentonite. I did a video on that as well, so you guys probably have already seen it. But it was a clay mask, and I wanted to make sure that I got the clay out of my hair without stripping all of the great things that it was supposed to do for my hair. My hair is super soft. And I'm actually using the whole Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go line. I am giving it a second go because in the past it has always given me residue, white flakes everywhere. Even though my curls would pop, like I would have the most banging puff wash and go ever with these products. So I'm just giving it another try. Hopefully with the clay mask and everything, I can actually say that these were a success and not a fail this go round. And I am only using the leave-in. This is the Untangle Me Weightless leave-in. I'm only using a dime size on each of the 4 sections. I think in the past I would do a little bit on each section. Not each section, sorry, but every time I section off a braid, I put a little leave-in and a little gel. So maybe this will prevent the flakes. So the second product I am using is the Curls to Go Coiling All Curls Elongating Gel. So that is this. It comes in a nice pump bottle. I actually love how these make my curls pop. But like I said, I've had flakes in the past. So, dear Lord, please let this not flake up. Please let my braid out be bomb.com. Okay, guys. So I actually have 3 braids. I'll show you guys. So I braid to about here, and then the bottom portion, I use a fine tooth comb to comb, add a little more product to the end, and then I twirl it. As you can see, it's kind of curled on the ends, and that is how you get kind of like a braid and curl, but just by curling it and not rolling the ends. I actually need to wet these some so that I can get rid of the bulkiness of the curl at the bottom. Just adding a little water because my hair is mostly dry. I use a t-shirt to wrap my hair after I washed it, and then I wrapped it in a terry cloth towel to absorb more of the water. So my hair is really dry, even though I washed it probably about an hour ago. So I will actually show you the process of me doing one entire braid, and then I will go ahead and speed this thing up for you guys. So this is my last braid for this section. As I said before, my hair is not damp at all, so I am going to spray a little water on it. I've already added the leave-in conditioner to the entire section. I use about this much gel. It's not a lot at all. Remember, guys, I am trying not to have flakes, so I may end up adding more, but I do brush it with the Denman brush first. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more gel because this section is a little bit bigger than the other braids. Okay, and it's just a 3-strand braid. So guys, This is what I do overnight. It's a lot harder when I have to get up and be at work at 6 a.m. So a lot of times my wash days are on the weekends. But today is actually a Monday, and it was the very first day, day one of I want to say like our it's situational telework due to the coronavirus or the COVID-19 virus. And my job determined on Friday that we will be working from home starting today, which was March 16th or 15th. I think it's the 16th, through April the 5th. So 3 weeks. So because I do not have to get up and go anywhere in the morning, I'll have enough time to let my braids actually dry. And so that's why using all of these products is okay, because I have enough time to let it dry. Or I can sit under the hooded dryer, which I do own one of those as well. But either way, I will let you guys see this again after I have finished braiding everything, and then again after it is dried and I have taken down all of my braids. But yes, guys, so this is what cabin fever does to you. You start having a wash day on a Monday. Like, really? Are you kidding me? Yeah, but since I clearly have nowhere to go, I can do it. And I can walk around in braids all day and take them down when I feel like it, honestly. So yeah. So I work by day and I do YouTube videos for you guys by night. Okay guys, so you see I've stopped braiding. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the gel to the ends. I'm using my fine tooth comb to comb those ends out to smooth them. And then I'm just going to twirl them around my finger. Okay, and then I'll show you what that curl looks like on the end. And there's the full braid, curl around. Okay guys, and I'm just going to do that all over. I'm going to speed things up so you guys don't have to sit here and watch that whole process. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I am all done. I have braids all over. I am going to let these dry overnight, and I will bring you along with me when I take them down and style. Okay, thanks for watching. Good morning, good morning. As you guys can see, my hair is dry, and I'm going to unbraid it, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Looks pretty good right now. I hope it's really defined. I'll see you guys soon. Okay everyone, I started taking my hair down. As you can see, it is very defined, but what I feared would happen is actually happening. I actually have on black pants, and I was sitting down doing this earlier, and as I'm taking each braid down, there are flakes. So I was hoping that I would not get any residue or flakes this go round, and that is already becoming a thing, which really kind of sucks. So I don't really see them throughout my hair, but you guys can just see them floating around. That is a mess. I'm just gonna have to wash my hair all over again and start this process again. I've tried to get the Jane Carter Solution Curls to go line a shot, but it just does not do well with my hair. And maybe I have not found the combo yet that does not flake, but just using their two products alone, which you would think would mesh well together, doesn't seem to. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep taking this down, but look at this, flakes for days. This is ridiculous, guys. Like, look at my glasses. ridiculous. Yeah. So another fail for me. Now, for you guys, you may be able to pull it off without having all the flakes, but this is ridiculous. So yeah. Okay, I'll show you guys how my final little braid out looks. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have taken all of my braids down, finished fluffing. When I say this would actually be such an amazing braid out, except for all of the flakes and residue. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like snowing. This is so crazy. The good thing about it is that you can't really see them on my hair. You can't see the white flakes. It's just that when I shake it, it's like dandruff everywhere. This is ridiculous. So I am going to have to wash it, but I can at least go out today. I need to go to the post office, and pretty much that's the only place I have to go. But yeah, I cannot do the Jane Carter Solution curls to go. My hair does not love it. Well, I mean, it does, honestly, like super defined. However, the residue, not good. But thank you for watching my braid out with Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go. I tried to give them another shot, guys, but it's going to have to be 2 thumbs down for me because I cannot walk around town with white flakes falling out of my head. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if this works for you, if you've ever tried this combo, or if you use any of the products in this tutorial, please let me know if you've mixed it with anything else that did not flake up. Or what other styles you've used it with. I don't think it's going to work for me, and it could just be my hair. If you like the definition, give it a try. Maybe your porosity is a little bit different than my hair, but it really just sits on my hair and flakes up. But thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you later.